Hey, it's your girl Laces with Black Sea Vegans. How y'all doing? How y'all living? And today I decided to come and do a quick makeup tutorial. I am currently transitioning all my makeup products to vegan, cruelty-free, and I am loving it one day at a time. So I decided to do a quick video for you guys. Alright, let's get started. As you can see, I did my brows and it is LA Colors. The brow pencil is the color Hazel. I just recently dyed my hair, so it matches perfectly with my new do. Yay, yay. Alright, I actually got some new products from Wet n Wild. I did a quick haul from Five Below, and I'm pretty excited. As you can see, this Wet n Wild color icon is the ombre blush, and it turned out really nicely. I like how smooth it was on my skin. It was a really nice and effortless transition. As I finish cleaning up these eyebrows. Hey, hey, hey. Alrighty. Next, we have the Wet n Wild Nude Awakening palette. This one too is cruelty-free. Wet n Wild is doing their thing with this cruelty-free products. I gotta keep it going because Cece's looking at me all kinds of crazy. And when we're in a busy rush, I gotta get things going. Alright. So with this palette, Nude Awakening, I used the 1, the 5, and the 2. This is their day look. So it was a transition color, which I put all over my eyelid. Then I did my actual eyelid, and my crease was kind of a darker rose color, which I liked. It turned out really pretty. Really pretty. I was pretty happy with it. I think Cece liked it too, as she winks at me, okay? Hey. Alright. Just finishing up and cleaning up and all that good stuff. Yay, 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 rush, 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 busy, busy, busy. It was a really nice palette. Okay, time to move on to the LA Colors graphics eyeliner. Now, anybody that knows me, I'm known to do a mean cat eye, but since this was a day look, I kind of went for a little lighter line just by my eyelashes, just something nice and effortless and chic, and I really like the way it turns out. Okay, finishing that up. Sometimes I make a mess with the eyeliner, so make sure you have some Q-tips handy, okay? Q-tips saves eyes, not lives, but eyes, okay? This right here, I actually have a bronzer that I'm currently using. I'm not quite sure who the maker is, but I will keep you posted the next time I do a makeup tutorial. Also, I completely forgot, I did the Wet n Wild lipstick, and I'm not sure. Oh, there it is. The lipstick color is Rose the Matter, and it was really pretty. I just put a little bit on with a little bit of gloss, and I really like the way it turned out. So there you have it. That's my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a happy holidays. Peace. Mwah.